Imagine a fighter jet so advanced it dominates the skies, but what if a single command could bring it crashing down? Welcome to the mystery of the F-35 kill switch, a geopolitical thriller that will leave you questioning everything. Hit that like button if you're ready to dive in, and let's uncover the truth. There's a wild claim shaking global defense circles, a secret kill switch that could ground every F-35 outside the US in an instant. Billions of dollars in cutting-edge jets, rendered useless with one hidden command from Washington. Sounds like a Hollywood script, right? But is it real? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. Drop a comment below, what's your guess? Spoiler alert, there's no big red button. Lockheed Martin and the Pentagon deny it exists, and they've got receipts. But here's the catch, the US doesn't need a switch to stay in control. From software updates to spare parts, America holds the keys to the F-35's soul. Curious how? Smash that subscribe button, we're peeling back the layers next. Right now, over 1,100 F-35s are in service, with 19 countries beyond the US flying them. Canada is ordering 88, Germany has 35 on deck, and the UK is eyeing 138. But here's the kicker, every one of those jets depends on the US for critical software, maintenance, and parts. Want to know why Israel is the only exception? Keep watching, this is a game changer. Unlike other allies, Israel's F-35I Adir isn't locked into US controls. They've modified their jets with custom software, unique weapons, and independent systems. Why? Because they're a strategic VIP, and Washington trusts them to operate without oversight. Meanwhile, Canada, Germany, and other allies remain stuck in the passenger seat. What do you think about Israel's special status? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's be clear, the real control isn't a sudden shutdown. It's a slow squeeze. Systems like ALIS and ODIN, both American-controlled, manage software updates, maintenance, and spare parts. If relations sour, delayed updates could cripple performance, and a lack of replacement parts could ground entire fleets. Imagine investing billions in defense only to realize your jets are useless unless you stay aligned with US interests. Now, let's add some political tension. Donald Trump's past comments about Canada being the 51st state weren't just jokes, many Canadians see them as a warning. If US-Canada relations ever took a downturn, could Washington subtly pressure Ottawa through its F-35 fleet? With every jet relying on American supply chains, Canada's Air Force could be grounded overnight, leaving it vulnerable in a crisis. Meanwhile, the war in Ukraine is exposing just how fragile alliances can be. What if a future US administration decides that supporting NATO isn't worth the cost? If Washington shifts its stance or even considers easing tensions with Russia, European allies flying the F-35 could suddenly find themselves without the crucial software updates or spare parts they need to maintain their fleets. A well-timed delay could leave countries like Germany and the UK scrambling for alternatives at the worst possible moment. Even NATO's security isn't guaranteed. If trust in the US erodes, Europe may be forced to invest in independent defense solutions, potentially breaking apart long-standing military agreements. Could this be the start of a new arms race between Europe and America? So, the F-35 kill switch is a myth, but the fear? That's real. With global tensions rising, allies need clear agreements and open access to keep their fleets combat ready. Otherwise, NATO's unity and its air power could crack. What's your take? Could the US use its control over the F-35 as a power move? Comment below, hit like if you're engaged, and subscribe for more deep dives like this. Let's keep the conversation soaring, see you in the next one.